Today we are going to show you how to install submerged sensor. This is a fixed holder. Install it at side of pool. Fix it by expansion screw. This is protection cap. Screw out. It has cable protection cap. Need to take wire through here. This is bracket. Firstly, take the cable from thread side. Sensor thread side must add protection tape to avoid water leak. Tighten sensor and bracket. Attention, don't screw sensor, only screw bracket. Next, take cable from protection cap. Before tighten protection cap and bracket, fix with holder. This can be moved. Press the raised area to remove. Tighten protection cap and bracket. Thread the cable out of here. Put the protection cap on. Finally, adjust the sensor height. Make sure the electrode is 3 to 5 cm underwater.